Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a regular, welcome too. What I'm doing is replacing a turn signal, rear signal light bulb on a Toyota Matrix, or, well, this is a Pontiac Vibe, but the same car basically. So you'll notice these little access doors on whichever side your bulb is out. Makes it real easy. Just pop this little door open. It's not hinged, it's just got little fingers that keep it in there. So you'll see them, the four plus the little lock. If we look in here, not the top one, but the one below it is your signal light bulb. And if you take the socket and just turn it about a quarter turn counterclockwise, it should come out. Take a look, whoops, and there it is. So with two hands, if I grasp it, and I just wiggle the bulb back and forth, it should come out. I'll give you a close-up of it. Usually they'll be black like this when they're not working, but not always. Try the difference there between the clear one and the black colored one. Usually if they're dark clad, they've burnt out. So we'll stick that one back in. Same thing. Rock it back in. And it doesn't matter, they go in either way. It'll still work. The signal light bulb is a 7440. That's the number. If you go to a parts store or you're looking on your own, 7440. That's a turn signal bulb. And then it'll go back in. Now it's interesting that this socket only goes in one way. It's hard to see here, but the little holes, this one is bigger than the other three. So it's only going to go in one way. So if it doesn't go in the way you've tried to put it in there, move it, a quarter of a turn or so, try and put it in again. If that doesn't work, try another quarter and see if it goes in. Once it's in, take your door, access panel door, and these ends here, they'll go in first. That's kind of what it hinges on. Put them in the holes and then snap her shut. And you're basically done. And we see we have a turn signal functioning now. It's that easy. Well, that's it for the video, and that's it for putting a signal light bulb in your Toyota Matrix or Pontiac Vibe. It actually takes longer to bring it to the dealer, sit and wait as they put it in for you. This way it's done already and you've saved yourself a couple bucks. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video, please. And you can subscribe down in the corner as well. We'll try and get a few more videos on this car. And in fact, more videos than this. Let's make a playlist right here. Just above the where the yellow flashing arrow is, we'll put a playlist there on this car. Until next time, you and your family stay safe. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Ouch.